What's your favorite childhood memory of being in nature? Take a moment to remember. What did you touch? What smells were there? What did you hear? How did you feel in that memory? Join us as we explore the memories that make the land of our fathers so very special. The friendships we forged, the weird, the wonderful, our love of what's green, honest, and good. The memories that made us into who we are. Our responsibility in helping our loved ones create cherished memories of their very own. And our profound connections to nature and to each other. This is Cysylltiad.